This is my Ivayak fruit tree, and I planted it on April 2019. They say this is the sweetest jackfruit in the world. But I do have a problem with Ivayak. Ivayak produces flowers during December and January and ripens during May, June, and July. The problem with my location is that rainy season here in the Philippines started between May, June, and July. It produces many, so you have to prune it. Unfortunately, though it produces big fruits, but it cracks during rainy season. This fruit is big. This jackfruit is big. Probably this would be 13 to 15 kilos. But the problem with this, it cracks almost 90%. The second problem, it would be soaked in a lot of rain. The fruit becomes bland, very bland. You cannot even sell it to the market. The crack goes around on all the surface of this fruit. That's the problem in Ivayak. See the crack. I don't know, for some regions they produce good Ivayak jackfruit. But for me here in Luzon, the problem comes in rainy season. A lot of rain, the fruit cracks. When the fruit cracks, a fruit fly can easily put an egg to this opening. See the bulb? They're very large, small areoles. But unfortunately, as I say it again, during rainy season, it cracks. That's my honest review of this jackfruit. So that's all.